Annyeonghaseyo, my dear friends. Have you ever dreamed of a place where ancient traditions blend seamlessly with the vibrant pulse of new life? Where the air is filled with the scent of blooming flowers and the gentle hum of everyday serenity? Today, we're embarking on an enchanting journey to a small village in the South Korean countryside during the breathtaking season of spring. We'll immerse ourselves in the landscapes, traditions, and the comforting rhythm of daily life, experiencing moments that are sure to spark your curiosity and inspire your wanderlust. Get ready to discover the heart and soul of South Korea, one peaceful moment at a time. Our story unfolds in the picturesque village of Jangsan, a hidden gem, nestled amidst rolling green hills and budding cherry blossom trees. The morning sun, soft and golden, paints the traditional tiled roofs of the hanok houses with a warm glow. Inside one such charming home, we meet Hermione, grandmother. Her face etched with years of wisdom and kindness, and her granddaughter, Mina, a bright-eyed student whose laughter is as light as the spring breeze. The gentle scent of freshly brewed boricha, roasted barley tea, wafts from the kitchen, a comforting start to their day. It's in these quiet, everyday rituals that the true essence of Korean culture shines through. Hermione Kim is already up, preparing a simple but wholesome breakfast of guk, a warm soup, and bap, rice accompanied by an array of colorful banchan, side dishes. Mina, still a little sleepy, helps set the low table. Through the open window they can hear the distant sounds of roosters crowing, and the soft chatter of neighbors beginning their day. Advice for you: when visiting South Korea, pay attention to the respectful gestures, like bowing, and the communal nature of meals. Sharing food is a significant act of bonding and hospitality, a beautiful tradition that strengthens relationships. After breakfast, the village truly awakens. Hermione Kim heads out to her small vegetable patch, where the first tender shoots of spring greens are emerging from the rich soil. With gentle, practiced hands, she begins to weed, carefully nurturing the promise of the upcoming harvest. It's a slow, meditative process, a testament to the patience and connection to nature that defines much of rural Korean life. Motivation for you: there's a profound beauty in simple, repetitive tasks, especially when they connect you to the earth. Like Hermione, finding peace in the rhythm of nature can bring deep satisfaction. Mina, meanwhile, is off to school. The path winds through a small forest, where cherry blossoms are just beginning to burst into their delicate pink glory. She meets her friends, Jinwoo and Sumin, along the way, their school bags bouncing with each step. They chatter excitedly about their classes and the upcoming school festival, their voices echoing cheerfully through the keen, fresh morning air. The sense of community is strong here, with children often walking to school together, fostering friendships from a young age. At school, the classrooms are bright and orderly. Lessons begin with a polite bow to the teacher, a symbol of respect that is deeply ingrained in Korean society. During their break time, Mina and her friends gather in the schoolyard, their energy boundless. They play a traditional Korean game, perhaps gongi with small colorful stones, their laughter ringing out. Did you know that South Korean students often stay in the same classroom all day, and it's the teachers who move between rooms? Also, students are responsible for cleaning their own classrooms, instilling a sense of responsibility and collective ownership. As the afternoon progresses, Hermione Kim's gardening continues. She meticulously checks on her herbs, destined for medicinal teas and flavorful dishes. The sun warms her back, and a gentle breeze carries the sweet scent of nearby fruit trees in bloom. The concept of ondol, the traditional underfloor heating, ensures her home stays cozy even on cooler spring evenings, connecting modern comfort with ancient architectural wisdom. Her movements are unhurried, reflecting a lifetime of harmony with the land. Mina returns home in the late afternoon, the sun casting long shadows across the village. She helps Hermione prepare dinner, learning family recipes passed down through generations. Today, they are making bibimbap, a vibrant dish of rice mixed with various sautéed vegetables, meat, and a fried egg. The act of cooking together is more than just preparing a meal. It's a shared experience, a transfer of culinary knowledge and love. The aroma of sesame, oil and fresh vegetables fills the kitchen. After dinner, the family gathers in the living area. Hermione Kim often tells Mina stories of her childhood, of life in the village, before it was connected to the bustling cities. She speaks of traditional festivals, of the importance of family, and of the wisdom found in simplicity. These storytelling moments are cherished, weaving a rich tapestry of history and culture into Mina's young life. The soft glow of the television showing a popular K-drama adds a touch of modern life to their traditional evening. Sometimes, in the evening, a few neighbors might stop by for a cup of tea and a chat. They share news of the village, discuss the weather, and offer advice on farming. These informal gatherings are a vital part of the social fabric, strengthening community bonds and offering a sense of belonging. In many cultures, the act of simply being present with loved ones and neighbors, sharing stories and laughter, is incredibly enriching and provides a strong support system. Before bed, Mina helps Hermione put away the dinner dishes and prepares her school uniform for the next day. The routines are simple yet meaningful, instilling a sense of responsibility and order. The sound of crickets outside begins to replace the chirping of daytime birds, a gentle lullaby to end the day. Motivation, even small acts of preparation and teamwork, can make a big difference in creating a peaceful and harmonious home environment. As Mina falls asleep, dreaming of cherry blossoms and playful afternoons, Hermione Kim sits by the window for a few quiet moments. She gazes at the moonlit hills, feeling grateful for the quiet rhythm of her life, for the vibrant spirit of her granddaughter, and for the enduring beauty of her village. It's a life deeply rooted in tradition, yet always embracing the gentle promise of new beginnings that each spring brings. Our journey through this South Korean village shows us that true richness often lies not in grand spectacles, but in the quiet beauty of daily life, in the strong bonds of family and community, and in a deep respect for nature and tradition. It inspires us to find peace in simplicity and to appreciate the enduring spirit of places where life moves at a more reflective pace. And there we have it, my friends, a gentle day spent in the heart of South Korea's blooming countryside. We've witnessed the warmth of family, the joy of childhood, and the timeless traditions that define this beautiful culture. This journey is an invitation to open your mind to different ways of living, to appreciate the unique charm that each corner of our world holds. What was your favorite moment from our South Korean story? Share it in the comments below. And tell us, if you could experience a day in any country, where would it be? Don't forget to subscribe for more peaceful slice of life stories that will transport you around the globe. And try saying "Annyeonghaseyo," hello, or "Hermione," grandmother, out loud. It's a lovely way to practice. Until our next adventure, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and keep connecting with the wonderful world around you.